You know, sometimes I used to be like, I just want to go into the woods and I don't want to talk to nobody. Hey, God. Now, inside the woods, I'm so scared. I need to go where people are. I need to go where other humans are. Eee! Who sent me message? Chinekenna. Hey, way. Who sent me message? I'm not going to the woods again. I'm not going. How do I come out of this place? I'm tired. How do I come? Oh my God. I want to go to the woods. I want to go inside the woods. I'm not go again. Oh. How do I come out of this place? It's my white scarf. I don't know it to be like this. Oh God. How do I come out of this place? Hey! I think I've gone too much. How do I come out? What direction? Did I used to go out? Am I lost?